This is a handheld vacuum device from Crest Kitchen Tools. I buy it in the Lidl. Let's unboxing this one so that we can see.
And then let's look. Okay.
This is the brochure. Loads 10 reusable vacuum sealing bags for refrigerator and freezer safe to maximum 18 degrees Celsius. This one, you can also plug it in the electricity. This one.
This one. Silver Crest.
You can also put the battery here because they have a battery. You have to read the brochure. So there are two options. Either you can use this one and you can also use this one. But first, we have to review first with this one. Is on and off button. This one is the suction chamber. And this one, the inside, like this one, the inside of this one is the nozzle. And this one, this is suction opening. The power unit is this one. We have to connect it here, the vacuum, handheld vacuum sealer. We have to connect it here. And then we can plug this one. So I on na. So it function. And the battery compartment cover, this one. So we have to get this one and open it. And open it where we can put the battery. Here. 6 batteries. We can put 6 batteries here. If we don't use this one, we use the battery. This is the vacuum sealing bag. For safe handling of this product, and in order to get to know the entire scope of features, thoroughly read this user instruction prior to initial use. Above all, observe the safety information. The device should only be used as described in this user instructions. Keep this user instruction for these information purposes. If you pass the device on to someone else, please include this copy of the user instruction. What is the intended purpose? Use the device exclusively for the vacuum packing of special vacuum sealing bags with integrated valves. So we have to use only for the vacuum sealing bags like this one, according to the instruction. The rest of material damage, never use the device for vacuum packing liquids or fine powdery substances such as flour. Safety information. Protect the device from moisture, water, drops, and water splashes. The device, the cable, and the power unit must not be immersed in water or any other liquids. If the device, you can only use this one with this vacuum sealing bags. Without this one, you cannot use this one. The vacuum sealing bags provide with suitable valve like this one. Supplied are provided with hermetically sealing double pressure cup are washable and can be reused. So this one, you can wash this one and you can still use this one. Let's try on these biscuits. And also in this with chocolate. This is only an example. You can also put the vegetable or any as you want. Where you can, no air anymore. Where you can put it in the ref. You can also put the chicken. And this is useful if you go to the beach. You can bring as much as you can. Make sure that in this area there is no water, there is no flour or anything. If it is wet, you have to clean it. You have to wipe it if it is wet to make it sure that it's clean. And then make this one like this. And then as you can see that there is no air anymore. So it is very nice. My review in this product is very nice. It is useful, especially if you travel. You can put it in the ref and you can still use the reusable vacuum sealing bags once again.